Hello everyone. This is me, Debashmita Sarkar. Today we are going to talk about CBSE Class 8 Civics Chapter 4 Understanding Laws. Do laws apply to all? The laws cannot discriminate between persons on the basis of their religion, caste, or gender. What the rule of law means is that all laws apply equally to all citizens of the country and no one can be above the law. Neither a government official nor a wealthy person nor even the president of the country is above the law. Any crime or violation of law has a specific punishment as well as a process through which the guilt of the person has to be established. How do new laws come about? Parliament has an important role in making laws. There are many ways through which this takes place. The role of citizens is crucial in helping Parliament frame different concerns that people might have into laws. From establishing the need for a new law to its being passed at every stage of the process, the voice of the citizen is a crucial element. This voice can be heard through TV reports, newspapers, editorials, radio broadcast, local meetings, all of which help in making the work that Parliament does more accessible and transparent to the people. Unpopular and controversial laws. Sometimes a law can be constitutionally valid and hence legal, but it can continue to be unpopular and unacceptable to people because they feel that the intention behind it is unfair and harmful. When a large number of people begin to feel that a wrong law has been passed, then there is pressure on the parliament to change this. The involvement and enthusiasm of the people help parliament perform its representative functions properly. So with this we came to the end. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.